See, we in Dalmia, the finance team has been fully aligned to the three main business goals during this difficult period of time, which is the employees are the primemost assets, customer is king, and cash is also a king. So these three kings have been prioritized. And likewise, we have made three teams: employee action team, sales action team, and cash action teams. On the first two, of course, we have been playing a supportive role. But for the cash action team, we have been leading from the front. As part of this cash action teams, our banking and treasury team, they ensured that we have enough liquidity for about 2 years of operations, even if no sales were to occur. So that kind of assurance was must for the entire organization to feel secure that there's nothing going to happen for them. Secondly, all the costs were seen with the tooth comb. All non-essential spends were curtailed, and the costs were also renegotiated with our service providers, vendors, and renegotiated. Thereafter, all the collections were prioritized. That means sales were made to cash and carry. All the loans advances were prioritized for chasing up. And when it comes to payments, we ensured that all the payments to the employees, including contract workmen, and that's a COVID relief, and all statutory payments and the lenders payments, they were all kept in the high priority. Rather, they were paid slightly in advance also at times. And this kind of assurance to these stakeholders ensured that organization is completely backing them. And for the rest of the vendors, of course, there was a matrix prepared how the payments will be prioritized and staggered payments will be done. There was a buy-in achieved with all the functional heads first, and thereafter we went to the vendor partners to have their buy-in for the staggered payments. And on the capex side, all the capexes were, let's say, prioritized into essential, nice to have, and maybe non-essential, and only the strategic and the high ROI capex, they were continued. And when in May and June the business resumed, which for us has been thankfully a V-shaped recovery, we ensured that our policies were immediately dynamically fine-tuned to ensure that the business is supported to ramp up the operations as much as possible. And the entire organization was aligned to the financial planning, which is quite flexible, because uncertainty still remains, even though the first 2 months have been good after the pandemic lockdown is removed. But uncertainty remains, and nobody knows whether there'll be dip again. So financial planning is being ensured that as business ramps up, we are able to support business fully. But if the business volumes come down again, we'll be able to curtail our costs significantly. And similar contractual arrangements are also being tied up with the vendors that we keep our costs low and take their services as and when the business improves. And going forward, I think there'll be a lot of disruptions we foresee in the market. You may get disrupted, maybe your competitors may get disrupted. So there'll be a lot of opportunities where, because of your competitors not being able to supply in the market, you may have to step in and increase your market shares. So there'll be great need of being agile, super agile in this environment. Another thing which you notice is that the rolling cash forecasts, I think they have become the norm. So this required active liquidity management, alignment of your payments with the collections, and also a lot of dialogue and engagement of finance team members with the operating business team members to track how the operations are going, what kind of costs are to be made, how to prioritize them, so that we have complete visibility, how the position looks like, how the changes in market capital happen, what EBITDA will come. So this kind of engagement has been extremely fast and quite widespread. And we've also seen the last couple of months that the work from home is given. So this has brought another challenge of ensuring that IT and data security. So those things are being taken care. And lastly, of course, this is an uncharted territory. Everybody has been working under extreme pressures, and work-life balance is a major challenge for the entire finance team in particular.